Hi everyone, I'm Lawrence Ross, the artist and founder of String of the Art. At stringoftheart.com, we sell incredible punch needle kits. In this video, I'll teach you how you'll punch your punch needle kit. In order to begin punching your punch needle kit, you must have the pattern template traced on your monk's cloth. The monk's cloth must be stretched and attached to the framed hoop, and your punch needle must be threaded with yarn. When all those steps are completed, then let's start punching. Here's a few tips to know before we begin to punch. 1. Hold the punch needle like a pen. And 2. Make sure the eye of your punch needle tip is facing behind the stitches. 3. Allow ½ inch of yarn to be hanging outside the eye of the punch needle tip. Place the metal tip of the punch needle on the monk's cloth. Firmly press down until the handle of the punch needle is touching the monk's cloth. The needle will go through the monk's cloth fabric. Slowly pull the punch needle back up through the monk's cloth. Once you see the tip of the punch needle come back out through the monk's cloth, stop and don't raise it any higher. Extend the punch needle 2 to 3 holes to the next stitch in the monk's cloth. Then repeat the next process and push the punch needle down into the monk's cloth. Remember to push the punch needle down all the way to the handle. Then lift the punch needle back up slowly through the monk's cloth until you see the tip of the punch needle once again. If you raise the punch needle tip too high, then it will undo your stitches or make your stitches too small. When you've completed a section of punching and you're on your final stitch, place your finger on the final stitch, putting pressure so that the stitch doesn't get larger or smaller as you pull your punch needle out of the monk's cloth. Then cut the yarn and pull the punch needle away.